Hello, welcome to CM Square. In this mathematics lesson, I'm going to do one question, one IB past paper questions for mathematics SL part or math AA SL. And it's for discriminant this subtopic. That's paper 1 on calculated questions. Consider f of x equal to kx squared minus 4kx plus 1 for k doesn't equals to 0. The equation f of x equals 0 has two equal roots. So that's the keyword. Two equal roots means one real root. So the graph only has one root. That means the vertex is exactly on the x-axis. Or that may be a smile face or sad face. Okay, like this. So delta equals 0. Remember, delta is the b squared minus 4ac. Right? There are three possibilities of a delta. Delta equals 0. Delta is greater than 0 or delta is smaller than 0. So delta equals 0 means, one real root or two equal root. That means delta equals 0. For delta is greater than 0, the keyword may be two distinct real roots. Okay. For delta is more than 0, the keyword is low real roots or low solutions. Okay, low solution or low real roots. So part A, find the value of k. So we know delta equals 0. b squared minus 4ac equals 0. So let's find what's a, b, c. A is 2k, right? A. So b equals negative 4k. C equal positive 1. And then we can sub it back to the equation here. B squared is negative 4k squared. Minus 4, A is 2k. C is 1. And now we can solve the k values. 16k squared minus 8k equals 0. And we can factorize with factorize 8k. 2k minus 1 equals 0. So k equals 0 or k equals 0.5. But we have to reject k equals 0 because from the question here, k is not equals to 0. So reject k equals 0. So k equals 0.5. Part B. The line y equal p is like y equal a constant. Y equal 1, y equal 2, something like this, right? It's a horizontal straight line. Intersects the graph of f. Find all possible value of p. Yep. So we know the value of k is 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 is 1. So 1x squared minus 0.5 times 4 is 2. Minus 2x plus 1. So it's a smile face, right? And now we know it has only one real root. That means the minimum point is exactly on the x-axis here. Like this. That's the graph. So the line y equal p. Now we can put a straight line here. Y equals 0, y equals 1, y equals 2. Right? Y equals 0. It's exactly on the x-axis, overlapping the x-axis. Y equals 1, y equals 2, y equals 3. Okay? Intersect the graph. So that means touching the graph. It can be touching 1 point or more than 1 point. Right? So when the k value, when the p values is greater or equals to 0, then it intersects the graph. When p equals 0, that means the straight line only touches 1 point to the graph, right? But when p equals 1 or 2 or 3, then they intersect the graph at 2 points. So p is greater or equals to 0. But p cannot be smaller than 0 because let's say that's y-axis, right? 0. So below the x-axis, the y value will be negative. So it doesn't intersect. The straight line doesn't intersect the f of x. So that's the answer. P is greater or equals to 0.